Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Feel Good on drums. We'll begin by establishing the core groove. You'll want to play the kick drum on the first and third beats and the snare drum on the second and fourth beats. Keep a consistent tempo, aiming for around 140 beats per minute. This foundational rhythm is crucial for capturing the song's energy and feel. Practice this until it feels natural and steady. Next, let's integrate the hi-hat pattern. You'll play eighth notes on the hi-hat, meaning 2 notes for every beat. A key element is opening the hi-hat briefly on the end of beat 2, adding a crisp, open sound. Experiment with your hi-hat dynamics. Playing some notes softer and others louder will really bring the groove to life and give it that signature feel. Now, let's add some flair with fills and variations. The main drum fill, often heard before the chorus, typically involves a quick sequence across the snare and tom-toms, ending with a crash cymbal. Practice this fill to ensure smooth transitions. Don't be afraid to introduce your own subtle variations in dynamics and ghost notes to make the groove uniquely yours and maintain listener engagement. Finally, let's bring it all together. Start by practicing each section at a slow tempo, gradually building up speed as you gain confidence. Listening to the original track extensively will help you internalize the nuances of the drum part. Remember, the goal is to maintain a consistent feel and strong timing, ensuring your drumming truly captures the essence of the song. Keep practicing and have fun.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.